How to get 40 free listing on Esty. So if you want to do print on demand business and you want to use Esty to list your product, if you want to do something like t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, mugs, you can do pillows, you can do so many things printable, and you want to use Esty as your online shop whereby millions of people can come and see your product and purchase, right? It will cost you 20 cents every time you post, every time you list a product on your platform, on your Etsy platform. If you are starting new, I will advise you to use somebody else's link, like an invite to Etsy to register. That will make you to have 40 listing for the first time. You have 40 listing for free. When you multiply 20 cents times 40, that is exactly $8, right? So you're just kind of saving $8 by by registering through someone else's link. So you will get 40 listing for free. Your first 40 listing will be for free, and that person you register with his or her link, we also get 40 listing for free. And when you now go ahead and give people your own link after registering and tell your friends about Etsy, the new person going to register under you, we get 40 free listing, and you we also get 40 free listing. So you can see here, you can receive free listing if you invite someone to become a seller on Etsy and they complete the process of opening a new shop. That means the person will really click on it and put their names and register to the end. And when the registration is successful, that is when the 40 listing will count to you. How can I participate? You can invite people to open an Etsy shop via email or by sharing a link on social media, right? You just take your link and then you share it there. How can you get this link? I'm going to show you that. You will see where they say first go here. So if I go there, you will see the link. I'm going to do that. I'm going to show you, okay? And then when can I use my free listing? You may use your free listing to list new items on Etsy or to renew a previously listed item, okay? How long are free listings valid? Free listings do not expire. This is very, very good. They do not expire, okay? And the one you're also going to be getting from your followers, from people, share it everywhere. And when they click and register on Etsy, you also have, the person must not start up Etsy business, right? Somebody can just register just because the person wants to be, buying the product or be logging in, something like that. Can I use free listing from one account in my other shop? Free listings are not transferable, okay? How many people can I refer? You may refer as many people as you like. This is wonderful, guys. How will I know if I've earned free listing? You're going to see it on your listing, on your shop, on your dashboard, okay? So this is everything you need to know. And then when I click on go here, they're going to bring you, see where they say share your link now to start reaping the rewards. So when somebody click on this link and then register, you get 40 listings and they get 40 listings. How can you get this link? You now, because I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video for you to click and register for you to get that 40 listings to get started, right? And then you will go ahead and be giving people your own link for them to register. And you will be asking, oh, Jennifer, how will I get my own link, isn't it? After registering through me now, when you click on it. How can you get your own link? You could see just here, you will say etsy.com/invite/sale will take you to your own Etsy link. Okay, so I want this video to be very, very short. If you know you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like. In this my channel, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to earn money online. There are different ways to earn money online. You can start up a print-on-demand business. This is my own shop. I teach people how to list products on Etsy, how to start your print-on-demand business. It can be t-shirt, it can be sweatshirt, it can be mugs, it can be anything at all you want to use. I use Printify as my printer, so I'm going to teach you everything, register you, show you how to register on Etsy, how to register on Printify, how to use CANVA, how to use Creative Fabrica, how to use PLACEIT, you know, everything you need to know about print-on-demand business. You can inbox me so that yeah, we'll get started. I have masterclass going on already. So if you want to purchase any t-shirts from me, this is Christmas time, just let me know. And not only that, you can just tell me what you want. Like, I do customization, personalized gifts. Like, you will say, oh Jennifer, I want you to write this word for me, and I will go ahead and create it. Okay, so I do a lot of customization. If you see like this post now, you will see that if you're buying this kind of thing, your name or your loved one's name or anybody's name can be here. The same thing with this one, and the same thing with this one, Christmas crew, and then you can write anything under here. So you just let me know what you want to be under, or it can be a different picture. You can send me your own picture that you want me to put on your t-shirts. If you're doing birthdays, we also have something like that. If you're kind of person that wants to celebrate African culture, you could see beautiful designs here regarding African culture. Absolutely amazing. So guys, if you want to patronize me, I'm going to leave the link of this shop in the description below, and also the link of the Etsy free listing and the link of your Canva, because if you're starting up this business, you need Canva Pro, and the link of the Creative Fabrica where you go and get your designs, and the link of Printify, the online printer, and the link of PLACEIT where you get your mockups, right? So all the links will be in the description below. So thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Remember, I'm going to be teaching you so many things regarding how to earn money online, whether it's drop shipping, whether it's affiliate marketing. I have a master course, whether it's print-on-demand business. If you are in Africa, go ahead and give me a follow, subscribe, because I'm going to be teaching more how people in Africa can really make money online, earning dollars internationally. You can also do this business. And let's say Esty doesn't take people from Africa, but don't worry, we get a Redbubble, and Redbubble, you can use Redbubble in Africa to sell. Or you can also do your print on demand in Africa, in Nigeria, for example, which I'm doing right now. I have a printer already doing that for me. So guys, we have so many ideas. You could earn money online. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you. And bye bye everybody. Don't forget to share. Bye.